I've gone and brought me some new bike boots, and I've also created myself a new problem. Check this out. Good afternoon, ladies and gents, welcome back to the channel. I'm Bailotron, and today, like I said, I had the problem. Brought new boots, no I can't change gear. So let's see what we can do about that after we've looked at these beauties. Oh yeah, they are nice. Alpine Stars. These are the Alpine Star Belize boots. They're a good adventure boot with great ankle support. They have the Dry Star waterproof breathable range with the oil brown leather or suede that gives them that bit of a classic look. It cost me £260 from my local bike shop, but I have seen them cheaper on the interweb. Now that's enough about the boots, let's get on with the video. You see the problem we've got here? Yeah, my feet are too big. 5'8" with massive feet. But I do ride with my toes right back here. Obviously I'll go like that and underneath and then back, or go downshift and that way like this. That'd be enough. Just that, I think. I'll start with that 10mm there with a 12mm. Maybe have to set this off and twist the whole thing to make this rise up to there. Don't listen to what I'm saying. I'm just going with what I think I'm doing right. So I'm going to undo this and I'm going to wind that out. Maybe that one as well. So we're going to need a 10 and we're going to need a 12. I wonder if I've got the right size in there. Let's start with undoing all this pants. Oh, there we go. Try not to scratch the frame up. There we go, we're loose. Does this one have to come all the way out to? Yeah. All I'm guessing is, just got to undo these and hopefully just twist it until that sits up more. Can't I just reposition this? Oh, would you look at that? I think we can. Sounds all the messing around. I ain't the smartest lad in the book, am I? Jesus Christ. Not hard, was it? Oof. I think that'll work well. Now go boom, boom. That is way better. Way better! Sorry, thought it was a bit more interested than that. It's a bad looking bike, really. Oh, these Givey racks are absolutely brilliant. They're like quick release. I'll do a video on those ones as well at some point. Also, the Michelin Road 6s, brand spanking new. They're good tyres. New chain and sprockets. We're ready to roll. Roll on the summer. Well guys, I'd like to thank you all very much for watching. If you haven't already, whack that subscribe button. It helps us out massively. For the future videos, obviously, where we're going to go, I don't know yet. I have just done a video on whether I'm going to go to Scotland or Germany. Check that out. Write down in the comments where you think I should go. The missus would come to Scotland if it was to go to Scotland, but Germany would be on my own. Is it better? Is it? Really? We'll see. We'll see. Until next time, guys. See you later. Peace out.